All right, I think I'm live. I never know if this shit actually works or not, so I'm gonna check fucking YouTube real quick. YouTube.com Cosmodium. Okay, I am live. Why is it this ugly pro? Oh god, that's a terrible thumbnail. But I'm just gonna kind of roll with it because why not? Here, copy. When it's in this Discord, I'll be with you in a second. There you go. Let the world know. Wait, did Discord already ping you guys? What? That is the first time the bot has pinged you guys for me when I'm doing the fucking streaming. Cool. That's awesome. Thank you, Discord or Me6 or whatever. Appreciate you. How's the audio sound, by the way? Idea they're into about rather than into you to do. See it with a rule could be annoying. True, true. I might not have it ping anything. Let's see. But yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah. Hold on. I'm so sorry. I'm just figuring out if I have everything I need to start streaming. It's been a little bit. Yeah, today I know it's late. I know it's like midnight, but I wanted to stream. So that's what we're going to do. I reinstalled my operating system. So here, let me pull up like one more thing and then I can actually start the stream. Um, there you go. Cool. We'll pull up the website. Cool. Am I streaming? I'm gonna make sure one more time. Yes, keep changes. Uh, I never like pay attention. It's been so long since I've like done a good stream. Yeah, there you go. Cool. All right. Anyway, what we're going to be doing is building a malware development lab so we can actually do some malware development. Um, And before I do that, I want to let you guys know, if I haven't made it apparent already, I did release a new course on malware development. So if you guys want to start getting into malware development with a cool little thing, I have a Discord for malware course. It is only $5. It's like a bag of Skittles. So instead of buying Skittles, maybe you guys can take that time to learn some cool malware. But yes, yeah, I'll quickly, super quickly showcase what the course entails here. Let me see if I can uh ignore my wallpapers because I'm a new Arch user. So there you go. All right, bet. Um, I should be able to click on that now. Do I still have to log in, bro? Oh my God. Okay, cool. We can close this. All right. So real quick to show you guys what the course is all about. We have what do we have here? Yeah, so I have different things about like using Discord as a C2, forwarding traffic outside of networks, building a botnet of computers we control, remote access toolkits, streaming data from targets in live time, a lot of other crazy stuff. We do some cool data exfiltration, screenshot grabbing, listening to the target microphones. Yeah, it's the whole nine. So if you guys are interested and want to kind of support this whole thing, then you guys can definitely check it out. But that is enough talk. It is actually time for us to uh, get into some stuff so we can build out our malware environment. Now, this is Windows 10 virtual machine I have. Um, pretty pretty bomb, I gotta say. Pretty stellar. Uh, and I guess we should start. Uh, I don't really know exactly what I need to do, but I know I need to do some stuff. So I think took a picture of my main tools. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna kind of start and hope it goes well. Uh, can we zoom in a little bit on this? No, I'm good. So let's get 9 nights. Is that what it's called? 9 night, new night? Yeah, 9 night. Basically this is gonna give us a lot of the cool like basic things you always need to install on computers. All right, we're going to get Discord. I notice how like everything's so far out, you know, like the text is super small. Um, but that's fine because we're just going to use Discord, VLC. Um, I'll get Audacity on here because that might need it for some CTF stuffs. Um, I'll need Spotify. Uh, Anything else? The Libre Office suite because I'm too broke for a normal Office. Um, some security stuff. No, I don't want any antivirus on this computer because I'm developing malware. I need it doing the submissions and stuff. Um, okay. Anything else? Visual Studio Code, obviously. Python. I'm sure we'll still need to get the one from the Windows Store too, but uh, for now we'll kind of just, you know, stick with it, deal with it. Um, I think that's all we need for this stuff. Unless if I'm missing anything key. Y'all see anything that I could be missing? I think we're good. All right, cool. I'll get it. Uh, Download. Cool. And it should download. Yes. Go ahead and do your thing. All right. So now that's getting those basic things. Some things I still want to get is Ghidra. Ooh, virtual machine being a little goofy here. Ghidra. Yes. Where is? I just need to install it. So download from GitHub. See, I wish the GitHub just came up first because it would just save me like some time, but it's fine. All right, let's install this NSA backdoor onto our computer. um, what else do we need? Oh, Procmon. Honestly, let's just get what's the suite Procmon comes in? It's like the sys internal suite. Yeah, I think that's what the suite is called. It's pretty sweet. Sorry. Sys internal suite. Download sys internal suite. All right, there you go. We're installing it. Again, like it's so far out. Can we go in our Firefox and make the text bigger? Let's see, sponsor messages, manage. How do we make it bigger? Because it's just like so far, far away. All right, there you go. Let's go to like 20. Is that better? Honestly, I don't even. Oh, default zoom. There you go. Let's zoom like 150. That's golden. That's freaking golden. All right, let's keep going. Is there anything else that I actually need? Because I'm kind of just like not, you know. Oh, I need X64 DBG. I think it comes with 32, so I'll just get, you know, that one, and then it'll give us the rest of what we need. Uh, X64 DBG download. Yes. I love downloading all these like random apps from the internet, you know. I always wonder if like these come with malware. All right, your download will start shortly. Thank you. All right, cool. We can close some of these. We'll let SourceForge do its thing. Um, we need the hex editor. I know Visual Studio Code has a hex editor of sorts, but I still want to have the what's it like HXD, I think it was called, because I can simply just pull out the hex and throw it into some C code and call it a day. So yeah, this is the one I'm gonna get. Oh, look at that website. Oh God. Oh Lord Jesus. All right. Um, no, it's not malware. I promise you guys it's not malware. All right. Windows. Download page. God damn. All right. Here, where's the American uh y'all got the English download per HTTPS. There you go. Cool. All right. Let's get off that website before my computer just comes overrun with more malware. This is a development environment, not like a analysis environment. Yeah, we're downloading all these sketchy tools. All right, we need PE Bear. PE. See, like, why is the text bar so small? You guys see how small that is? Like, I don't know. If it's too small, let me know. That's what she said. PE Bear. Oh shit! No, no, no. Click on that. Crap. Latest release, because it's just going to take you to the GitHub. Yep. All right. Let's get PE Bear. Let's get the first one. I trust the first one. PE Studio. PE Studio. Winator. Download PE Studio. Just yep. Download. Does anyone actually check the hash sums? Like I've never actually. It went small again. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. I don't know why it's so small. That's what she said. Um, why is that taking forever to download? I want to click it twice. Is it going to download? Hello. All right. We'll give PE Studio some time. Yeah, I don't know why this is so small. Honestly, I have no idea. That makes it a little bit bigger. Huh. I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't. Can I just because this just zooms in onto the little thingy. Um, Here, I'll use this text bar because you guys can see this one better. Cool. Um, what else do I need to install? Task Hacker. I plan out my streams very well. Just as a FYI, I did Task Hacker. I meant Process Hacker. I don't know why I said Task Hacker. Uh, Download. Uh, Setup. This one. Okay. Did it ever download PE Studio? No, it didn't. What's going on? Download. There you go. Seriously, it downloaded in like 2 seconds. Why was it being such a an inconvenience? Here, let's get the home thing real quick so I can quickly uh let's just throw some stuff because real quick because I want to have this be as nice as possible. There you go. The home and then the developer tools right there. All right, cool. Let's keep going. What else do I need to install? Floss from Mandiant. Floss Mandiant. Um, Now, before you ask me, Cosmo, why aren't you using Flare VM? Let me make it clear that I already have a Flare VM virtual machine and my Runux virtual machine for malware stuff. So I just need a malware development area, not a malware analysis area. Because these are on like their own isolated network and all this other stuff. And you have like internet simulation from the Runux box going to the virtual machine. It's pretty cool stuff. If you take the TCM PMAT course, actually, you pick up a lot of that stuff. It's really cool. Anyway, where's Floss? There you go. Floss version 2.0. See, I don't need a blog. I just need the app. Like, why are you making a blog on the app when you could just give me the app, Like, there's just go back. This is there you go. Flare Floss. Um Quickly, I'm just going to check YouTube, make sure the stream is good because your channel. Oops. Okay. Yeah, there you go, Floss. Let's do y'all have the releases page that I can just pull from. Okay. Oh, add TATEC large file. Oh, that's cool. What denotes a large file? Like how large does the file have to be? Anyway, let's get for Windows because Windows, that's what we're on. Um, all right. Is there anything else that I need to do? Let me just check. All right, dope, cool. The stream's good. It looks like. Yep. Let me go back over here. All right. What on earth was I doing? Floss. We have Discord installing. And I think that should be. Oh God, look at all those. All right, finished. Nice. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and just delete all those off our uh deleted files are removed everywhere. Oh my gosh. OneDrive. Got it. OneDrive needs to stop now because we can't have OneDrive running because we're not trying to just back up our malware to the cloud. Uh, don't send optional data. All right. Um, here. Can we just settings? Settings. I know you guys can't see it. I can't see it either. So, uh, new collections. How do you just turn it off? Bro, turn off OneDrive, dude. Don't start. Um, Here. It might be in settings. OneDrive. Maybe. Bro, how do you disable OneDrive? Can you just like right click that, bro, and just tell it close OneDrive? Close OneDrive. All right, maybe that's what we needed to do. I'll actually leave antivirus on for now because I just hold up. Let's do one quick thing in our uh antivirus because we want Defender. I don't really care if Defender's running, but I just don't want the automatic permission stuff. Not like he probably doesn't do it already, but um, where's the submission? There you go. Yes, I know. Um, dismiss. All right, cool. Now, what were we up to? Anyway, let's unpin. I know my Windows isn't activated, but I think I should have gone past that. No. You have to activate your Windows before you can make your PC look all pretty. Okay. Even though I just did all that stuff, but all right, that's fine. All right, cool. So what's next? We need to just remove a lot of this bull. Um, can I actually pull this stuff from the store? All right, I just need Python because I know Python is weird. Actually, no, I think you can still use it. PowerShell, like you can use Python. It's just going to complain about the aliases. Yep. Okay, hold up. So Windows key I, if we do uh alias, manage execution aliases. There you go. Let's turn off all of these. Here, let's try this one. Oh, I should turn all of them off. Cool. Now when we type in Python, Python's not recognized. Okay, hold up. Because it should be recognizing. Uh, let's do Python. Bro, I don't want. What about all right, Python 3? Because okay, if I don't have Python, then what is this? What is this right here? Python 3.11. What is that? Can anyone explain? I'm gonna make these texts bigger too for everything. Python 3.11.exe. Python 3.11. What was it called again? Python. Yeah, this right here, because I have it, Um, Python. But it's going to tell you to like go to the Windows store every time you try to use it. Uh Here, we'll get it. All right, fine. We'll just succumb to Microsoft. Wait. Stop. Y'all got y'all got that new Python? Y'all got that 3.11? Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, cool. I'll get 3.11. Freaking getting Python from the Microsoft store is so ugly, by the way. I just want to put that out there. Bro, what are all these app installs? Heck no. Bro, we had to debloat the like actual hell out of this OS, dude. Cause I put a this is a beefy virtual machine. Like I put a solid like 200 gigabytes in this thing. You know, the Windows is going to be like, oh, you have 200 gigabytes. Let's fill that up as quickly as we can. And I don't want that to happen. Uh, I would like use like larger icons and stuff, but uh, okay, we can do the okay. We can do some stuff. Um, Here we'll do search icon. We'll do the search icon. I don't mind the search icon. And then can we just like, bruh? I'm not buying an activation key, so don't tell me to buy it. Unless if you guys want to support your boy, send me an activation key. Uh, we can make these tests these bigger. Good old Windows bloat, not for real. Uh, show the top, show Windows side by side. This is a cascade windows. SV button. Show Cortana. Oh, no, don't show the Cortana button. Bro, Cortana scared the actual like living crap out of me earlier. When I was installing this Windows virtual machine, I just heard her yell. And it scared me so much. All right, let's make the PowerShell look prettier. Real quick. So we'll go ahead, go on properties, we'll go on fonts, and we'll go on like 28. Yep, nice. Okay, we'll make the font a little bit bigger actually. Properties. I thought we'll do like 32. Okay, now 32 is too big. Okay, let's take it back down a notch. Like, what's like 28 and 32? All right, that's like 30. Oh, I put 72. Whoops. I was like, no wonder that's what? What on earth is going on? Ain't no way it's that small. 16? Oh, it only like lets you pick from this array of numbers. Fine. Is that feasible for you guys? That should be feasible. Um, Properties. Cool. Now that we've all agreed on that, we're going to need to do layout, because like when I close this, right, and I hit Windows key R and open a new, this is sad. Like I can't even use. That's not usable. All right. Let's go ahead, crank out the height. Crank it out a little bit. We'll do like a solid like 5,000. Whoops, 5,000. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Did that work? I honestly can't tell any differences. Oh, I need to do the default as well. Yeah. Okay, so if I do 36 here, Windows key R, there you go. So I forgot, you have to do both. You have to do the defaults and the properties. So we're going to do this, and then we'll do 5,000 as the height. Why not? All right. And then properties, we'll do 5,000 aside. All right, cool. Uh, wrap text output on resize. Yeah, that's fine. Why is the width so like stern? Like you cannot, if you want to change it, you couldn't. Uh, cool. Screen text is going to be cyan, and then screen background is going to be black. Uh, is that black? That's not black. That's black. And then opacity, we're going to have it at like solid 80%. Okay, so let's see what this looks like when we reopen it. PowerShell. Okay, not too shabby. I like that. You know, the black and cyan. Those are my favorite colors right there. If you couldn't tell from the company logo. Yeah, this is like the normal size I want the PowerShell to be, but it's gonna be mean to us, you know? Like, um, as soon as I like, hold up, what's the layout right now? Because you won't. Oh, I am dumb. I am so dumb. That's the screen buffer size. This is the window size. See, I knew I was stupid, but sometimes my stupidity continues to surprise me. Is that what it's called? All right, let's make the width like 800 and just see what that does, you know? Um oh, is that the width as 800? I don't like that at all. Hold on, let's reopen one of these just to confirm. That's too thick, you know. Properties. Let's crank that down. See, the width isn't even there anymore, you know? Like this continues to amaze me. All right, what if I do 50? Okay, I see now. Let's do like a little over 50, you know? Let's do like 100. Yes, a little over 50 is 100, I know. All right, 100, what does that look like? 100 is too big. Okay, properties. So let's do, uh, can we do like 70? That's perfect. That's exactly what I want. All right, hold on. Windows key R. There you go. That's what I need. All right, so now we had to add this to the default because when you use the like PowerShell, the system it likes to get a little different. You know, it likes to be special. All right, 70 by 24 is what we got going on. Okay, cool. Let's do that. 70 by 24. So if we close this and then we go and reopen it. Actually, there was no reason to close it. Defaults. All right, cool. So on the defaults, we're just going to make screen text, cyan, screen background, black, opacity, like an 80. There you go. And then have the layout be, what number did we make it again? It was like 70 or something. 70? uh properties 70 by 24. Okay. I think it just syncs across properties for layout 70 by 24. All right, perfect. So that should be your PowerShell. Nice and set up. Um, cool. Let's get some of our favorite tools. Oh, I forgot a tool. Oh gosh, Visual Studio Code? No, I think it's just Visual Studio. Which one's which? I forget. Just yeah, Visual Studio, because we're going to be working with that C lane, you know. That was ugly. I'm sorry. Uh, the developer tools actually I need to download as well as like the command line tools, and I need to get but I think it comes with it. I don't know. All right, let's get the community. Okay, you know what? We'll download the community version, and if it doesn't come with the the tools, then we'll uh we'll install the tools ourselves off the interweb. I don't know how I forgot. All right, before you get started, we need to set up a few things. That's fine. Go ahead. I trust you, Microsoft. There's so many installers we got to go through, by the way. Um, Here, let's go through the downloads. Yeah, there's quite a bit to go through. Uh, we can get rid of the Firefox installer because we have Firefox. We can get rid of the 99. Everything else we're going to have to kind of put together. All right. Let's see. What do you want, Visual Studio Code? Um, Build applications. No, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, we'll throw some Python stuff in there. Why not? Build Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac apps. I feel like .NET would be good to have here. Is this the normal .NET stuff? Yeah, we'll get .NET. We'll get the universal Windows, so C Sharp, Visual Basic, C++, definite C++ stuff because that's my main go-to. That's not my main, but it's definitely a go-to. Other tool sets. We'll do Linux, and then I think that'll be it. Yeah, I like that. And then I think I think we should be good. I know it's like a lot of stuff. I know we don't really need it, but I don't really mind installing it. Space required, 31 gigabytes. Like this is why we gave the thing like 200 gigabytes. So we can have some leeway. Um Install while downloading and install. Download all and then install. Which one's better? Hold up. It says if you have a slower internet connection, download all then install. All right. Simply because I'm streaming, we'll do a download all and then install because I like that download all then install. Simply because I don't want the stream to like, shit itself. All right. Cool. So it seems like that's doing good. Let's go ahead and make the view of this bigger. First of all, we need to enable all those checkboxes. I know the file explorer is small. I'm gonna make it. It's small for me too, by the way. It's not just you, right? Like it is. It is a genuinely small, uh, whatever you call it, menu. Anyway, um, how do we make that bigger? Do I just like size home? Bro, like I sometimes like I don't know what I'm doing, and I just pretend like I am. Oh, there you go. You can make the icons bigger. Medium icons, large icons. Here, we do large icons. That's better. That should be better for you guys. Do you have like extra large icons? No, we don't need that. I think the large icons are fine. And then uh you have small icons. You have titles, content. All right, I like the large icons. I think that's fine. This should be good enough for you guys to see. Um, cool. All right. We should also like extract all of these. Uh, yep. Take your time. All right. Did it extract all of them at the same time? I hope it did. Which one did it do? It only did PE Studio? Man. All right. This is gonna be a long stream, my boys. All right. Let's get Floss out of here. Oh yeah, I need to disable that check mark. Um, oh yeah, there goes the first freeze of the day. There you go. I forgot how Windows is a fragile operating system. Uh, cool. Let's go ahead and could we extract all these as well? Okay, disable that. Cool, because that's so annoying. The little pop up thing. I think it is. All right, cool. That's PE Bear all done and dusted. We can delete that one. Yeah, literally, this is all we're just going to be doing stream. Just literally just setting up our malware development environment. Um, I had a good one not too long ago, and then I installed Arch. So and didn't back up my VMs. If you're asking why, it's simply because I didn't have enough storage to back them up somewhere else. Uh, Snapshots. We'll do extract all. What is this? What the heck is snapshot? Do you guys know what snapshot is? Did we just install some random software or is this relevant? Let's check up on this. Here, I'm going to go ahead, Windows tab, make a new desktop. And in this, we'll just throw uh, Visual Studio Code. Windows is like my ex temperamental at times. Ah, of course. Of course. Oh, that's funny. Um, Here, let me check OBS real quick because I think I have like some filters on here that aren't working. So audio here. I'm so sorry, guys. Uh, let me filters. Yeah, so it says that's on. But if I go over here and check the filters, oh no, we're good. I'm just tripping. Sorry, guys. All right. Where did snapshot go? Yeah, what the heck is snapshot? Do you guys know what this? Did I download this? Oh, it's X64. Got you. Got you. Dude, that scared the heck out of me. I thought I just got malware on my system. um, like just analyzing malware I accidentally installed on my own virtual machine. All right. So, Strakidra, yes. The NSA backdoor. Let's go. I feel like because I'm pretty sure Ghidra, because it's Java, was vulnerable to Log4 Shell. I wonder if that was just like their backdoor. I always wonder if they knew about it, stuff like that. Curious. All right, Ghidra's going to take a fat. I should have done this one last. Ghidra's a fat package. All right. While that's loading, let's check over here, and it's doing its thing. It's going through. Yep. All right, do your thing. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of waiting. I anticipate this much. I okay. Let's see how how leak we can get here, guys. Let's see if we can. I'll move this over here. Um, let's see if we can install or unzip another one because there's only one more. We can probably do it without breaking our virtual machine. Oh, ooh, ooh. Hold up. Hold up. Ooh, you guys see how slow the virtual machine's being right now? Golly, hold up. Task manager, you got it. You can do it. Pull up, you got it. Do it. Ah, bro, it said about an hour. Ain't no way it said about an hour. Task manager not responding. About an hour and 25 minutes. What is entailed in this zip file? How do you want to open this? With File Explorer, please. All right. We'll let it do its thing. It's probably okay. There you go. It went down to 30 minutes. Real quick, let's check the performance. Um, I did a CPU splitting or whatever it's called. So Basically this virtual machine does support virtualization. So if I want to make a virtual machine in this virtual machine, I can, which is pretty dope. I don't think I will for a little bit, but if I ever find the need to, then I will. You know, it's just a feature. That would be nice. Um, okay, we're not doing too shabby. We're not doing too shabby. I think. I think it was a little bump in the road, but you know, it's recovering well. So let's pull out the sysinternal suite. Do you guys think we can extract this at the same time as well? Let's see. All right. Now, my computer will ultimately itself. Oh no. My computer is going to be screaming, dude. I'm installing Visual Studio. I'm what is it? And then decompressing both of these like binaries. All right. I think this isn't too bad. I think the computer's doing fine. My host computer is just fine. Honestly, the host machine is doing great. I'm looking at the CPU usage at my OBS. It only says like 11%, which is pretty good, you know. Over here, my computer might be a little less happy, but we don't care. All right, it's almost done downloading those things. I probably could have done the dual download, honestly. I just didn't want to risk it with the live stream. Um, Let me double check my list to make sure I have everything. So we're getting Visual Studio right now. We need to get the command line tools. So if this doesn't work out, we'll need the command line tools. Uh, and if you guys don't know the command line tools, I'll show them, when we get there, honestly, but we don't have to worry about it right now. Dane, this one has surpassed Ghidra. Look at that. I am eventually going to get like things like IDA on here, but honestly, I'm just not super, super familiar with tools like that. So when I need to get them, I'll get them. All right, cool. So I think maybe we could start another one. I just want to wait for these to finish installing, honestly. Um, we have Firefox, we have Python, Ghidra, Prosmon, we have the debuggers, we have our hex editor, I think. Yep, hex 8x, I can't even say it. HXD. God, I can't speak English, dude. Um, we have our PE Studio. Did we get PE Studio? Yep, PE Studio. All right, cool. So what we can start doing is, I don't know where to make this directory. I think I'm gonna make it in the users like home directory. Uh, we'll go into local disk, users, red row. I'll probably just make it in here because we need a code directory. So we'll just do Control Shift N code. Okay, so like what happened to the icons? You know, like why? Like, can we just have it by default use the large icons, or is it File Explorer like? Um, all right, you know what? I'll let it do its thing. All right, but code is basically going to be our little um our little area where we'll actually start doing our projects and stuff. Um, Actually, I don't want to call it code. Code is lame. I'll call it what I call it on my host machine, development. Because this can be malware development, software development, other development. So we'll call it development. Um, can we delete like the random stuffs? Oh no. Cool. Pin to quick access. Um, we can how do you remove from quick access and remove from quick access. Cool. The other directories we actually do need to get is app data, local temp, because we do need to access our temp directory frequently. I know from just experience. Um, App data is another one we can also throw on here. App data. And then finally, we need our startup directory because I want to be able to quickly just click on the taskbar and go to the startup directory if we need to pull it up. Because with malware development, you already know start directory is often used for persistence and all this other stuff. It's funny, I have the directory that's like memorized, and it like I didn't memorize it intentionally. Like I've just gone to the directory so many times to where it literally is just like second nature, you know? Um, Startup, there you go. So we'll go ahead and add that there. Um, Lit. Cool. So yeah, development's going to be like our little main space. And the reason I put it in the actual red directory is so when we open up like a PowerShell, um, and let PowerShell load because it's not Linux. And I also am installing like 30 things in the background right now. Uh, there you go. So if we cd into, oh God, development, you got this. You can do it. You can do it, Windows. Yeah, so I can just quickly cd directly into the development as soon as we open up PowerShell. That's why I put it there. For those of you who are curious. Um, Other than that, let's go back to downloads because we still have more stuff to like set up. I don't know if you guys realize this. Like once, okay, we can delete the sysinternal suite because we finished. Yep, we finished getting that. Cool. But we still need to like follow through with some of these like setups. Like we had to set up process hacker. Um, I don't know what other ones we had to set up, but I know we had to set some of them up. So I kind of want to centralize the development directory. I want like most of my stuff to be here. So in development, I'll have tools. Tools. Cool. And this is where we'll actually store our tools. I know it's small. I know. Here, boom. Is that good enough? All right. Wait, we're gonna have a tools directory, and this is basically where. Whoa. What? And okay. But yeah, in this tools directory is where we're going to store our hacking tools. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Um, and then I'll have like probably like just like an archive directory in here just to store. I'll do like store. Yeah, I'll do actually I have a cooler idea. We'll call it this one tools. And we'll call the first one F2 toolbox. I feel like toolbox is cooler. Toolbox. Um, but yeah. All right. Ghidra still kicking its way. Let's come back on okay, so we downloaded all the stuff, so now it looks like it's actually installing uh the Visual Studio code itself. Which is dope. Which is dope. Um Curious to see how much the drive has gone up in storage. Yeah, it went from like 13 gigabytes on the system to like 40. We love that. Cool. So Gidra's the last one to unzip. All right, so now that this one's kind of closer to finishing, I'm gonna go back and install some other stuff. Let's go ahead and install Process Hacker. Yeah, yes. I accept the agreement. Um, yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna skim through, hit next. Uh, no desktop shortcuts, please. But hey, you can be on the start menu. I don't really care. Oh yeah, set it as the default task manager, please and thank you. Cool. Uh, you, you know what? Let's launch it just to see if it works. There you go. This is Process Hacker. It's basically Task Manager, but it gives you more information. Um, yep, there you go. That's basically it. Uh, cool. Um, so we can delete that because that finished installing. Most of these, like, I'm just going to pull into like that tools directory because, like, if I open up the start menu and search for floss, I don't think my floss exe is going to pull up. It just searched up river. Yeah. I don't know how to get this to where it does show up. So I feel like I'll just figure that out later. And in the meantime, just kind of, you know, pull all these into the toolbox. So yeah, let's actually pull these into the toolbox. Everything but Ghidra. Everything but Ghidra. Okay. So take this. We'll go into the development. We'll actually add the toolbox to our quick access here. We'll add it like right above the temp directory. There you go. So I click on toolbox. There you go. Cool. So in tools, we're just going to paste the sysinternal suite. Okay. So damn, that is a lot of tools. The only ones I use is like TCP view and Procmon. So we'll get uh Procmon 64. I don't really care. Uh create shortcut. Cool. We'll take the shortcut. Oh, did it finish? Oh, thank God. All right, cool. And then we'll paste the shortcut in here. Yeah, so basically this is where we'll just have like a little area where we can quickly access our tools. If you use like Flare VM before and you have like that toolkit on your desktop, that's basically what I'm building out here. Um, Maybe in the future I can make a script, to do like all this for me, because it's a fair amount of work. Uh, but it definitely sounds like a future me problem as well. All right, cool. So we can actually pull all the rest of these. I'll just do Control X, and let's go ahead and put these in our toolbox. Tools, and boom. Cool. Yep, there you go. So Ghidra, yeah, we'll just like, I don't like the duplicate directories, so um, hold up. Which one's the empty one? This one? All right, cool. Yep, Ghidra, and then yeah. So should we just install? Let's just run Ghidra right now. Yep. Uh, Run anyway. Java runtime not found. Oh, I should have installed it. My bad. Press any key to continue. My bad. All right. Press any key to continue. Where's the any key? I hate that joke. Sorry. All right, let's go back to 9.8. I should have installed this with my 9.8 install. That was on me, guys. I'm sorry. Simple mistakes like this. Here, let's get, where's Java? We'll do the first one. Yep. Thousands of organizations use 9.8 Pro. Oh, that's cool. Anyway. All right, cool. Let's go. Just install this for me. Thank you, Night. Yes. All right, let's keep going. So while that's installing in the background, I guess we still need to get the other stuff up. So HX. Oh, we had to actually set this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this directory back into the downloads because I just don't want to have it interfere with the actual toolbox we have. So we'll go in here and we'll run the tool. Okay. Next. Accept the license agreement. I know the text is so small. I'm so sorry, guys. I wish I could make it bigger, but stuff like this is just, gonna be small. If you continue here, can I sorry, hold on. Create default configuration. Yep, that's fine. Install. No, stop. If I get one more desktop shortcut, I'm going to murder a family of children with a school bus. All right. So real quick, can I delete this and then open this up and then just type in HXD? Where's the app? Where is my hex editor? What in okay, so if I hit Control Z, why is it in here? What okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not complaining because we have a toolbox. and we'll just throw it in our toolbox. Yep. So just like that. There you go. Look at that magic. Wow. All right. So we're going to need. Honestly, we'll just get HXD64. We'll create a shortcut, and then we'll take the shortcut, and then we'll put it in our toolbox. Now, I would hate for. I don't know if you guys seen I Am Jacoby. He's a fellow YouTuber, good friends with him, and he made a shortcut hijacker basically that like makes all of your shortcuts malicious. And I would hate for one of his malwares to get on my system and just rewrite these shortcuts with, you know, tomfoolery. Where, where's the shortcut? I swear I cut it and pasted it. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad. Can we make this bigger, please? Like, how do you make the text like net options? Okay, hold up. View. Um, okay, hold up. I think this is the secret to the sauce right here. I think this is what we need to do to make it bigger. General, browse folders, uh, show recently. I don't really care about this. View. All right, hold up. Browse folders always show icons, never thumbnails. Always show menus, display icon on thumbnails, display file size, display full path in the bar for sure. Uh, hidden files and folders, show, hide empty drives, uh, hide extensions for no file types, no. Merge, hide protected, launch folder, blah blah blah, restore previous, blah blah blah. Show drive letters, show NTFS. Okay, this is amazing. Truly, truly awesome. But how the hell do you make it bigger? Okay, we'll hit apply. We'll hit okay. But what I would really enjoy is to make these bigger, just like naturally. Like it only does it for like certain directories, and it's pissing me off. Large icons. Because like if I go over here, it's just going to be small again. And I go in here. Did it just reset? Oh no. Okay, so it's like only doing it in certain directories, you know. Here, I'll make it large for you guys. I'm sorry this is happening. I don't know why it's doing that. Um, here, I'm sure if I just hit like Windows key I and then search up like file. No, I need like explore, file explorer options. I'm pretty sure I just went through this, didn't I? Yep. File explorer. There has to be other. There has to be more. File explorer. I changed search provider. File explorer developer settings. Developer mode on for sure. Yes. Um. That's fine. Looks like you got some winter shrinkage happening. Now, I mean, Windows is called Microsoft. You know, I'll leave it at that. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's just check up on Visual Studio. It's it's making its way 34%. I think in the settings you can actually change the size. Size. Change the size of text apps and stuff. Oh, did we? Okay. How do we? Where's the size? Size and layout. Let's do like 150. Damn, that is big. I don't know if it needs to be that big. That is what she said. Here, let's go on File Explorer. Okay, okay, hold up. Let's shrink down. Okay, I think that's better. If I go on like Okay, that's good. Yeah, thank you. That I can live with that. That's what I needed to do. My bad, y'all. It took me way too long to advance scaling settings. Okay, cool. That should be better, guys. Hopefully. Close. All right, so there's too many like bullshit. Like it's like the 3D objects like you never use and like cool. Is there anything else that I'm looking to do? Um what was I about to do? Guys. What was I about to do? I forgot. All right, we can delete this because the JDK should be installed now. If we go to our toolbox, tools, let's just keep going down the list. All right, so let's start with floss, and then we'll create the. Actually, honestly, we could just throw floss straight into the tools because it's just a single, exe. It doesn't need, you know, it doesn't want no scrub. HXD we just did. Uh, yeah. All right, so we'll go ahead and create a shortcut for this. There you go. This should be a lot better for you guys to see. Um, I'm sorry I didn't do this earlier. That's 100% my fault, but we'll just roll with it. Why can't I create a shortcut? Where is create shortcut? Am I? Oh, there it is. Okay. Sometimes I just be blind for real. Like there's just no like if buts whatever. Like I just don't see. There you go. All right, PE Bear. What other tools do we have? PE Bear, PE Studio. Oh yes, PE Studio. Oh, I hate the nested. I hate when they do this. Like, look. You go on tools, right? PE Studio is right there. You click on it, and then in here is another PE Studio. So you click on it. Like, it's so annoying. Here, let's go ahead, cut PE Studio out, and then no, hold, stop. Oh my God. All right, did that work? There you go. So let's go ahead and create a shortcut. The reason you create shortcuts is because there's DLLs here, and you don't want it to like search the system for the DLL and stuff. So, I guess that also is just like making it so someone can just like DLL hijack it, but we're just not going to talk about that. Okay, so is that all the tools? What other tools do we need? BE Studio, our debuggers. Yes. First of all, I'm renaming that file. Like, I'm just going to like rename this real quick because I'm going to go through here and be like, where's my debugger? And not know where it is because it's called snapshot. We'll do x64, x32 dbg. There you go. Just so I know where it's like coming from. All right. So in here, we can go into release and then x x96. No, I'm not gonna use that. All right. Where is there you go. After traversing the earth, I finally found it. All right. Like the guy who made this debugger was like 17 or something when he made it. Like that's crazy because it's like one of the most like widely used tools like malware and binary exploitation, this and the third. I thought that was cool. There you go. So x64, let's get x32 back. My computer is still being kind of look, the virtual machine is still kind of taking a shit right now because of this. Um, cool. Yeah, and I got some of the mobile stuff because I'm eventually going to get into some mobile hacking eventually, and this is a long term goal. It is, um, but we'll get there when we get there. All right. What else do we need? Um, I swear to God we needed Oh, X32. Yep, that's what we came for. Okay, gosh. Fun fact, my brain speaks faster than my mouth. So I don't know why I chose to do YouTube as like a thing for fun, because I just stumble over my words. I have to like think before I speak now. So I sound nice. All right. Let's go ahead and paste. There you go. Look at that, dude. We're going to have to take a snapshot of this for sure, because if like this whole thing just like explodes or my computer hasn't been plugged in this whole time and like my laptop dies or something, let me just check. All right, no, we're at 100%. All right, making sure. Let's go back on the virtual machine. All right. But yeah, anyway, are we missing any tools? We went through, we got this one. We're about to do Ghidra. Do Ghidra in a second. Actually, let's do install Ghidra while we're doing this. I don't know why we didn't think about this. All right, so we'll do run the bat file. We have a JDK now, so it shouldn't be playing. JDK JDK 17 plus cannot be found. What? I swear I just downloaded it. Did we download the right one? I could have. Did we not just download it? Guys, I could have sworn we just got it, dude. What did we download from 9? Look how big Firefox looks now. Gosh, bro, it's crazy. It's just like all up on the screen. I on Goss quote, I got it, bro. Look, oh, that's 8. Whoops. Oh, we're just gonna keep it. Get your 9 up. I haven't developed in Java in forever, dude. All right, let's try this for like the third time. Okay. Yes. All right, we'll let it download in the background. Let's go back because we still need to get our other tools because we have Procmon over here, don't we? Yep. But we still need TCP view. I guess Procmon already shows you enough of that, but you know, I want to be extra. So uh where's the sysinternal suite? TCP view. Ba-da-ba. Starts with a T. There it. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, there it is. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and create the shortcut, and we should just be able to cut, go to tools, and or go to toolbox. Sorry, and paste it. All right. There you go. Those are all but Ghidra. And obviously, you know, we're still not done, but we're getting closer, guys. We're getting closer. Um, because this is more focused on a malware development environment than it is a malware analysis, but I still need other tools to kind of play around, you know. And I'm sure we'll need more. I'm curious again to see how much more full this OS has gotten. So it's hit about the 50 gigabyte mark already. This is a fresh install. Nice. Um, cool. We can delete this. All right, let's try Ghidra for like the 107th time now. Wait, why is PE Studio pinned? Removed from quick access. Did I put you on quick access? No. So don't put yourself on quick access. All right? This is let me stop talking. I don't think before I speak. So. All right. Let's do this again. Let's go. Yeah, this virtual machine is also going to be used for like hey, there you go. It worked. Cool. But yeah, this virtual machine is also going to be used for like CTFs and stuff because again, like my virtual machines over here are literally so like if you go on edit connection details virtual networks malware. So this is my malware network, right? It is a isolated network, right? You can see isolated network with this like 10.0.0.1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Um, but yeah, so this is the malware network. This because this is an isolated network and all the machines in that network are configured for actual malware analysis. So I don't want to like, you know, spread malware through my network and stuff. I have it in like a contained environment. I need another virtual machine to do my malware development stuff aside from the analysis stuff. Um, Hopefully you understand. If not, deal with it. But yeah, let's keep going. Uh, yeah, let's we can close this actually. Oh shit. Um, yeah. Did you know? I did not know. Thank you. Okay, first of all, we need to get dark mode because I don't hate myself, you know? So, there's a way you can get dark mode. I don't entirely know how. Um, Here, so I think if you type in Ghidra, it's not gonna work, you know, because it's not cool like that. Um, but what we can do is create the shortcut to the Ghidra.bat. So now we can go onto our toolbox and throw that in there. All right, there you go. Where's Ghidra? There it is, Ghidra. Cool. All right, what's up, dude? Hey, what is up? How we doing? Um, I am good. I am working on this malware development environment. Let me go back into the full screen. Sorry, guys. Uh, is Visual Studio done? It's at 57%. What are you downloading? Maybe I should have chosen that many projects. Like realistically speaking, I'm not going to use all those. But you know, it's fine. We already did it. We're sticking by our decisions. All right. We're going up. All right. Anyway, let's go. Can I go back? There you go. Oh, something popped up. What popped up? No, nothing. Okay. All right, cool. So now that that is good, I guess we need to start working on the actual other things that we're going to have like in our taskbar. So obviously we're going to have our Visual Studio Code. Let that boot up. Um, we'll pin that to the taskbar. We also should pin our PowerShell. We'll make it look pretty and stuff later. Right now, I just want to start, you know, getting it together. Um, okay, that is too big. Why is it too big? That is what she said. Properties. Uh, oh, this is the window size. Oh, maybe the buffer. Maybe like we should just make it like 1,000. You know, Windows key R. First of all, we are going to, you know, okay. Why? Okay, that's better. That's better. We're getting closer, guys. Hold on. Properties. Like I thought we already did this, but you know, the universe isn't nice to us. So, oh, ooh, no, that's right. 700. Yes. Okay. Cool. So now if we Windows key R, that's. I honestly don't know how much that changed, but it's still a little too big for me. So we'll do 55 0. We're just going to keep doing this until it's like optimal. Like, okay, that's not changing anything. um, Properties, dude. Like, can we just scale it in here? That would be awesome. Like, if you could just like do it in there. But no, 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 no. The universe is never that nice. All right, can we do like 400 honestly? Because that would be fine with me. 400. Let's keep R. Okay, I honestly don't think it's even. Oh, maybe the font's too big. Maybe that's like launching it across the screen. I don't know, honestly, if I'm being like 100% real right now. We'll figure that out later. I feel like that's a later us problem. Obviously dark mode. Let's browse the color themes. Lemon Tree Dark is a great one. Oh, yes. Browse additional. Lemon Tree Dark. Dark. There you go. Cool. What? That's not Lemon Tree Dark. What did you just install? The Tree Me? Who is this? Uninstall. I don't know who that is, but that's not what I wanted. Lemon Tree Dark. Come on, bro. There it is. This is a good theme. This is a decent theme. I don't really care too much because this is not my actual editor. Um, but yeah, Lemon Tree Dark. We'll roll with it. Cool. So on top of that, we're going to need a bunch of stuff. We're going to need Python. Um, can we just get normal Python? Look, what is the Python extension pack? This is the extension pack. We have to check this out. All right, we got Python, IntelliCode. Oh hell no, I'm not. I'm not using any of that. Let's just get normal Python. All right. All right. What about C and C++ and all that? So there is C/C++. Oh, wait, there's an extension pack. Hold up. Now we have to check out the extension pack. I mean, you get more bang for your buck. We get C and C++. Then we get um um C make tools, and then the themes. Okay, that's dope. I can roll with that extension pack. Cool. We'll cop the whole pack. All right. There's a C++ runner, compile and run and debug. Oh, we need to get nim, dude. Because like nim is like one of my favorite languages right now. Bro, there's so much stuff we just need to get. Like, there's like this infinite repertoire of just like stuff we need for this malware environment. Should I make like a write up or like a script to automate this? Let me guys know because I know how interesting this is, honestly. Um, because like I would be doing this in Discord, but I'm like I haven't like done a good stream in a little bit, and to call this a to call this a good stream is like a stretch, but we're working out. We're making stuff work. Anyway, nimlane.org. All right, we'll let you. Yeah. By the way, my computer's being slow simply because of the. Oh, did it finish? Oh, 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 oh my God! What is new? What is up? Okay, I think we're good. So now if we search for Visual Studio, oh, it already opened for us. All right, cool. Never mind. Never mind. One step ahead. First of all, we'll pin this. Okay. But what I really wanted to see is great. Now that we have Visual Studio, can't wait to not use that ever. Um, what I do want to do is here, let's do, oh my God, this this virtual machine is taking a toll. All right, install nim. But can I go ahead and do native? Do we have the native command line? Oh, we have the native command prompt. X64 is what I need. Yes, sir. All right, pin that baby. Let's go. Okay, so you'll notice that like all of my um shell environments are now like really weird. Like I would like the size to be like, like that much smaller. But it just it won't, like I can't figure out how to do it. Um want a nightly build? Okay. So let's get that Windows. Oh my God. Stone nim on Windows. Yes, this one shall find. Uh, so all right. Threat protection, bro. It's a programming language. Is like okay. Like I know NIM is very very popular for malware right now. Like my latest malware course, is literally based on NIM, like the entire course. But y'all don't got the like they're so after NIM now. Are they just like banning the installer or something? I don't know. I don't know. Zip is denied. All right, let's go to downloads. No, did they get quarantined, bro? Security. Windows. You're grounded. You're in trouble, Windows. Quarantining my malware development environment. What? I know this entire virtual machine's for, malware development, but you don't have to block all my stuff. Where's the quarantine? It's probably like right there, and I don't see it. Device security, maybe? Hello? Okay, you know what? Fine. Um, where is quarantine? No, it's not there. Go home. All right, virus and threat protection. Um, bro, this is pissing me off, dude. Where's my installation? You know what? How about this? You know what? If Windows wants to play, we'll play. How do you set exceptions? You know what? Windows just started a war. All right. Exclusions. Add an exclusion for the folder. You know what folder we're excluding? The freaking C drive. Let's exclude my entire OS. Let's do it. Actually, no. So what we'll do is we'll have multiple. Um, so we will have one. Aside from the jokes, we will have one for the C drive. But I want to be able to disable that one to do some testing. What I would really like is for my development directory. This should be an exclusion. Um, and then we'll do like the startup directory as well. For now, I mean, we can always remove it. Um, there you go. Cool. Should be dope. Oh, actually, let's add one to our downloads so it doesn't Windows doesn't shit the bed. Downloads select folder. All right, cool. So we have some good ones. Now can we still go to the quarantine? I just want to know where the quarantine is because, like, it would be nice to know. Here we can probably search it. Windows key I. If we do quar quarantine quarantine. How do you spell quarantine? I don't know. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. We'll just download it again, and because we added the exception, it won't yell at me anymore. See? Look at that. It's magic. Extract all. Yes, extract. All right. We'll let that do its thing as we continue to get stuff here. Um, yeah, I was looking at the C++ runner. It looks pretty interesting. Um, compile, run, and debug simple or multiple C++ stuffs. That's pretty cool. I think we'll get it eventually. What else did I need? I wanted actually I'll get the Vim extensions last because I want to pretend to be normal on the stream for a second. The hex editor is something I would like to have. Yes, hex editor install. And then nim. Which one is the one I usually use? I think it's this weird one with the like I know there's like this official looking nim one, and then there's like this goofy looking nim one, but this one has more installs, so let's go with this one. All right, cool. Is there anything else? I think that should be it. All right, cool. So if we go back, it's still doing it. It's still doing its thing. All right, you do you, Nim. I'll step up the way. Um, but here we can get like. I actually don't like tab 9 as much as I used to, because it's getting in the way with my Vim key bindings. So, sorry, not sorry. Cool. All right. So we got. All right. Are those all the extensions we need? We have C++ and C. We have Python, a hex editor, and nim. I think that's pretty dope for a start. So real quick, if I close it and open it, just make sure there's no annoying like start menus like this, we can disable the startup page. And yeah, that should be it. I think we're in a pretty good stance with so the last thing is we'll create a workspace basically. So I want to have the development be our main folder. Yes, I trust the authors here. And real quick, we'll just go ahead and we'll see see how it's just like this ugly. What happened to my beautiful like PowerShell? I just spent like, bruh, do I have to do that all over again? All right, that's fine. Whatever. L PowerShell. CD into development. Real quick, I'm just going to touch. Oh yeah, this is Windows. Echo. Wait, can you just do like nothing into like I dot would be like proof of concept dot py, or do you have to do that echo? Okay, can you just do echo and then just straight out? Like, do you have to do the double quotes? All right, there you go. Cool. So I'm literally just okay. So first of all, we need to make that text bigger because, I'm going to be YouTubing on this and stuff. We'll do like 26. I don't even think 26 is enough. We'll do like 30. Okay, 30 is a little too big, like a little bit. We'll do like 28. 28. Okay, now actually I feel like 26 was fine. Yeah, that's fine. You guys can see that. All right. Autosave is a definite on. We'll just do like after delay. I don't really care. Um, I don't think there's anything else I care that much about to get set up. But yeah, that should be good. So I just had this proof of concept by just to see what it looks like. Um, I think we're good, guys. Um, yeah. Oh, let me get Obsidian. Guys, if I download one more app, like just leave the stream because but this Obsidian is for a project I'm working on. It's actually uh not for my actual Obsidian notebook. My Obsidian notebook stays alive. Um, but I'm working on this cool project with I am Jacoby. So he's a cool YouTuber. You guys should check him out. Huh? Cool. Another, thing to install. Like when you get a phone for the first time and you install like 100 apps and don't use like any of them. Well, that was quick, Obsidian. Here, pin to taskbar. Um, let's open our development environment as a notebook, and we can just create markdown notes in our developer easily. Uh, open folder as Volt. Let's go. Why is there a tools directory in here? It shouldn't be in there. Is this part of OneDrive and it's you know what? I don't care. We'll figure that out later. Because tools should be in our toolbox. Like it is. Alright. Anyway, the directory one is development. So we'll select development. Alright. So if I close that, if I open this. Sweet. Alright, cool. Obsidian, I honestly won't care too much right now because we don't need to care about it too much right now. It's literally for a project. I'll probably end up deleting it after. I do use Obsidian though, just to clarify. So before you guys are like, "Oh, Cosmo, don't delete it. You should get Obsidian." I use Obsidian. I use Obsidian. I'm not going to show you my notebook, but I use it. Um, cool. Let's actually finish installing Nim like how we were supposed to. Um, okay, yeah. We can delete all these. If I get one more desktop shortcut, I'm gonna honestly like. Wait, can we get the recycle bin here? Yeah? Wait, can we delete the... you can't delete the recycle bin. Oh, you know what we could do? Actually, no, I don't want to hide this. No, that's fine. The recycle bin actually adds to the aesthetic a little bit, you know. Um, should we move it? Should we like put it like right here? Just have like this little mountain. Yeah, I think that's a good place to put it, if you ask me. All right, there you go. Dope. Anyway, what were we doing? Nim, right? Let's get Nim installed. So first things first. I'm gonna another duplicate directory. I hate that so much, dude. All right, we're gonna cut that directory, throw it into our toolbox. Because with Nim, it's a little weird. You have to like, so first of all, we'll run the finish.exe. More info, run anyway. All right, nim exe is not in your. We'll have to add it anyway. So, um, yes, download mean w. Yes. Can we? All right, we'll let it do its thing. Real quick, we have to actually go to our environment variables and then add the path to the nim binary. Um, say yes. Cool. Because I don't think it adds it by default here. We'll check again, environment variables, but I don't think it adds it. So if we go on nim/bin, yep, there you go. Cool. So if you go on environment variables, yeah, I don't think it's going to add it, does it? Oh, it adds it. It didn't add it for me when I first installed it. I think they fixed that. That's awesome. Cool. Cool. So we can test it real quick. We can open up. Ugh. I spent all the time customizing PowerShell and still doesn't freaking pop up. But if we do nim, there you go. It works. Also, real quick, if we do Python, okay, it works as well. Um, Control Z, exit there. Cool. So let's recustomize this because Windows hates us. We'll speed run it though, don't worry. Uh, why is the height so like gargantuan? Like, see how like big this window is? Hold on. Like that's oh, never mind. It's like normal Windows screen size. All right. I think the default is for like the entire system though, right? Yeah, okay. So if we just change the defaults, at least for size, I don't mind that width. It's the height that's pissing me off now. So if we do like 20 and open that again. Okay, so like you do all this work, right? And it doesn't here, if we do 20 on this height, right? Okay. That's crazy short. Um let's do like 40. That's perfect. That honestly, this is I can deal with that. Okay, so what is this? 120 by 40? Here, can we do like 140 just to see? 140 by 40. That's perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for this whole time. Okay, so what is it? 140 by 40. I'm literally just going to go into defaults and change 140 by 40. 140 by 40. Okay. So now we can go into the properties and change the actual stuff we like to see. So screen text should be cyan, screen background should be black, and then opacity at like 80 is fine. Um, and then the last thing is the font, right? We want to make that text a little bit bigger. We'll do like 24. Oh, so does the font size actually like affect the window size? That's so annoying. I don't like that. All right, so I'm gonna have to shorten the window size, but I think like a size like that would be perfect. So let's figure out how to get that Windows that text size. Um, Properties, font. So we're at 24. Let's try 28. Yeah, 28 is perfect. All right, cool. So we'll make 28 the default font. Yeah, you guys can tell I spent a lot of time. I spent a lot of time customizing my systems. 28 is fine. Um, cool. Let's keep going. We're almost there, guys. We got this. We're close. Uh, kind of. Wait, real quick. If you right click, oh, that's awesome. So if you right click on your File Explorer, you do get access to the uh your 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 pinned, which is dope because we can quickly access our things. Awesome. All right. So now that the text size is at a size I'm comfortable with, we should make the window size slightly smaller now, right? So with that text size, the height needs to go back to like 30 potentially. Right. Let's just test it on our this one right here. So yeah, like this is not working. So we'll do like the width is like too long. So we'll do like 75 and the height is little too, you know, long. So we'll do like 20. 75 and 20. That's perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Yes, that is the optimal supreme PowerShell window. It is like near 2 in the morning, and I am sitting here editing. I don't even know what you call it. Editing PowerShell windows to make them look pretty. All right, so we did 70 and I think 20. I want to say 20. Uh, okay, we'll hit okay. So now, if I open up a PowerShell, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And then if I open up like the Windows, oh, glorious, glorious, dude. That is amazing. That is impeccable. If I so if I open up Python, it should also let's go. Let's go. It is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Cool. So we'll swap those and then um real quick, let's just Windows key our notes pad. I like having the notepad in the taskbar simply because it's easy to, show, the keyloggers working or screen captures are working by just writing like a little hello world. One thing is, can we actually configure the size of the text? Okay, so if, I know this is Notepad. It's not like some like hardcore. Okay, actually no, I know I keep bringing up Jacoby, but he uses nothing but Notepad for his development. I think I want to say there's this other YouTuber, I can't recall his name, but he uses Python Idle and he made like an entire AI to play GTA in like Python Idle, you know? And if you guys don't know what Python Idle is, it's the default editor that comes with it. It's terrible. It looks ugly. Look at this. This is it. This is this is Idle, dude. Or you can make a file. It's basically Notepad but for Python, dude. Like that's it. Um I'm never going to use this, so I'm not going to spend the time to customize it, but anyway, is there any way we can just change the text size? That's all I wanted to do. File, that's the page setup. Um, Edit. Um, I don't know. Oh, you can change the zoom, you know. Format, word wrap is a definite. Font. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Let's go like 22. So if we zoom back out to 100%. Because like when you open it, right? Don't save. Um, let's say it like this. So if we do hello, that's not bad. I'll make the font a little bit bigger though, because we're not using it for actual like, stuff. Yeah, that's perfect, dude. Awesome. So I don't have to hit that control scroll wheel. Honestly, I'm just fine tuning my like malware environment. Um, so there are some projects I am going to have to pull down from my host computer into this that I'll do later. But I think we pulled this together not too shabbily. Um, if I go over here, yeah, we're not installing anything else. Let me make sure we have like all like the key stuff. Um, we don't need this in our downloads. What is going on with this? Like, if I open this, why are all of our, oh, OneDrive, you son of a, how do we kill OneDrive? How do you disable OneDrive? How do you like rip it to shreds? Yes, this little cloud. I want you to die, little cloud. Um, settings. There has to be a way to turn it off. Unlink this PC. Files will stop syncing locally. Available files. Unlink account. There you go. Set up OneDrive. No, I'm good. All right. There you go. That's what we were looking for. Can we refresh and it'll be gone? No. All right. We just have to delete it ourselves. That's fine. Delete. All right. We'll leave Visual Studio because I'm sure Visual Studio likes to do its thing. I don't know if that's what's in Visual Studio. All right. And we still have we used 60 gigabytes to get all of our tools and stuff configured on the system. I think now would probably be the best time to take a snapshot. Um, let's just make sure we have everything kind of where we want it to be. Um, we don't need this concept of pi, and we will add our tools in here as we go. But it's nice to have this quick and easy like area where I can just find all my tools. Like if I'm doing like some basic stuff. Um, yeah, that's dope. That is dope. Um, yeah, I'll stop wasting your guys' time. Let's start. Let's wrap this thing up. All right. Let's get that snapshot. We'll call this tools installed. Uh, installed malware dev tools. Finish. Cool. So we always have this nice kind of moderately clean state, to go back to, especially if like we get too deep into development and the hard drive starts getting more and more full. We always have like that nice little state we can kind of go back to. Um, yeah, and it's not part of our isolated network. It's connected to the internet. So I want it to be, because this isn't for malware analysis. This is for malware development. I'm just clarifying that for the comment section. Um, but yeah, I'll wrap it up here. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for sitting with me as I install some stuff. So there should be more malware related content coming because I have my environment set up and stuff now. So, but yeah, thank you guys. I will catch you guys and stay happy, stay positive. As always, happy hacking. Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and I wanted to introduce you guys to the Happy Hacker Site Plan. The Happy Hacker Site Plan is a plan where you guys can support us for only $1 a month. That's right, $1. With this comes exclusive benefits like courses, articles, videos, and access to our entire cybersecurity knowledge base. If this interests you and you guys want to get access to all this, check out the link in the description. It's only $1, so we definitely appreciate your guys' support. Anyway, enjoy the video and happy hacking.